Hey, what up? We're watching
Nickelodeon. I don't know what.
iCarly. Well,
Hey, what up? What up?
yeah, Austin's here.
Yeah, we're watching this because we're selling these videos to the kids of homeless shelters.
Yeah, it's
and we get lots of freaking bucks, baby.
It's
money. $600 a video.
All right, now I'm getting tired. Can we take a break?
Yeah, we've been
downstairs.
videotaping this for like 9 hours. Okay?
Yeah, I gotta take a break.
Let's get some chips or something.
All right, let's get some chips.
And then let's watch some like South Park or something.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. Oh God! Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Something just
Dude,
moved.
it sounds so big. Okay, let's go together. Okay, let's go together. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Oh my God!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at it! Oh my god! Something happened to Austin, and it tore up my foot a little. Oh my god! Okay, it hurts. Okay. Austin! Get off of him! Austin, are you okay? Oh no! Okay. Kill me! I'm gonna have to kill you. Kill me! Take me out! No! I'm sorry. Here. Go to bed, my friend. Go to bed. Close your eyes. I just had to kill my friend. Oh my god. It's around here. Okay. I love you, Mom. I love cheese. I didn't deserve this. What's wrong with this? Oh my god! Look at it! Help me, Lord, help me.